currently is day 2, and what I'm going to try and do is attach the 2 frames together. I'm going to use wood glue and screws as well, and I'm going to show you close-ups on how I do it. And afterwards, I'm going to put a nice finishing touch all around the frame to make it look professional. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So after I drilled and glued everything together, now I need to build the base where this frame, that big frame that we've made, is going to fit onto or stay on top of. And what I did was I went around my house, and we have a couple of beds obviously, and I walked in and I saw like how far I can see inside, and it turns out 30 centimeters is how far I can see inside. So from the edges to where the beams are is 30 centimeters, and then obviously from the end as well 30 centimeters in. So this piece is literally 240 centimeters, and what I did was measured it. I know this is 30 from here to here, and from here to here was like 44, so I did that minus that, and then I got 166 centimeters from the top to there. I'm going to cut that off, and then for the bits in between that join these 2 big bars together, I can still use this piece, so that is going to be 60.5 centimeters. I'm going to cut it from here, and that piece is going to go there, and then I'm going to also cut that piece, and that piece is going to go at the front. So yeah, let's get straight into that. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but I'm on my balcony right now, and I'm about to cut this with the jigsaw, which is down there. I use that jigsaw, and what I did was I measured it as I showed you before, and what I did was measure it from all the way back down to here again, and did it a couple of times so I can get a straight line there. And this is the other part of it that I'm going to use to join the 2 sides. Hopefully you guys can hear me, and yeah, time lapse. I've got all the pieces in my room now. I cut them to the correct length, as you saw, and now I have them on the ground. And next step is sanding everything down. This is a step that you should do if you want to get a nice clean finish at the end. I'm trying to get a nice smooth finish, so I'm going to be sanding it. If you don't have a sander, you can always get a hand sander or sand yourself. It takes a long time. You don't even have to sand it if you don't want to, but you know you're going to be using it on a daily basis, so I do recommend sanding everything down. And yeah, let's get to it.
So this is how much we've done so far. Pretty much I have put the rectangular piece below, as you can see, and this is what gives the floating bed effect. This is what gives the bed the floating effect. Is pretty much the distance this rectangular thing is from the end, because when you walk into the room, realistically you wouldn't see anything underneath. In a traditional bed you'd have the legs at the end, but in this bed you don't, and especially with the LED strips I'm going to put in that goes all the way around, all the way around, it's going to be amazing. It's going to look banging, literally, and I can't wait for this to finish. So pretty much what I'm about to do is attach the bottom bit, bottom frame and the top frame together. I'm going to put a piece of wood here, 2 screws at the top, 2 screws at the bottom, and then wherever else I can find a nice good connection between the bottom and the top frame. So I'm pretty much done attaching everything. So I did a attachment there, like I explained earlier. I also did one attachment over here. I did attachment over here. Show you guys how that works. Boom. Here, and that's just the wood glue dripping down. I'm gonna wipe that off in a minute. Or you can do this. This is what I've been doing. Just been kind of filling the gaps and stuff, because this stuff is good. So I put a screw that goes from here to here, and then 2 at the bottom that goes inwards. But obviously this all depends on how you make it, because you don't have to place it exactly where I place it. You can place it in different spots. Look, see, I put one here that attaches it, but obviously it goes inwards and 2 that way, and similar thing here, and then another thing here. And at this point the bed is pretty much done, but now I'm going to add the finishing touch, I guess. So as you can see, this is the completed bed frame. So this is pretty much everything. All you need to do now is put the mattress on top. And let me just explain what I did so far. So what I did was measured the wood, cut it out to perfect length. And when the mattress is in between, you're not going to see any of like these lines or anything. You're just going to see a nice mattress, and then this smooth platform here as well. So yeah, as you're going to see in the next clip, this is pretty much it.